Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to add or replace an image in Alight Motion. Now first just start up a project, any project right here, and let's bring in an image and I'll show you how to do that. And then I'll just click on this plus icon, come to media, and let's just bring in an image. Let's say this image right here. So we bring it in and all you actually have to do is bring in another image on top of it. So let's scroll here to the left and let's bring in this image. Okay, you just click on the plus icon, bring in another image, just replace that image, and there you go. As you can see, now that that image has been hidden, you've basically replaced it. Or if you want, you can go a step further and just delete it altogether. Okay, so to delete this image, all you need to do just click on this trash can icon at the top right, and as you can see, it's gone, and you can easily replace that. Okay? If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel.